You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation from Japanese, a 4-character idiom. If you want to learn more Japanese pronunciations that are confusing, stay tuned. Japanese pronunciation: Ichi-go ichi-e. Ichi-go ichi-e. A concept, cultural concept of treasuring the unrepeatable, that's how you say it, unrepeatable nature of a moment. Ichi-go ichi-e. Ichi-go ichi-e, or in English, Ichi-go ichi-e. Sorry for the confusion earlier. Ichi-go ichi-e. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.